I came and met Shane and the guys middle of last year, and then I got chatting to some of the team members to find out what they were doing and what would make things better for them. And more or less all of them said, well, if we had a newer car, it would be fantastic. I'd got my philanthropic hat on that day, so I said, well, okay, well, I'll buy you a new car then. But there's only one condition, that you attract more diversity into engineering and manufacturing, so more women. It's my first point. I've got a daughter that's a software engineer, and she tells me she's the only one in an office of 100 that's a woman. So I said, well, yeah, I'm happy to fund a car, but that's the only condition I'm going to put on it. It just needs more exposure, that engineering and manufacturing is a career path, and it just needs to be made more aware of that as an access, which is why it's great that there are girls in the team now. But we at Highclere want to promote that message alongside of University of Wolverhampton in terms of any sort of publications that we can do and anything we can say to drive more people from BAME and from female students.
Within the new Praga car, we've got a few bits we can look at, and there's a few different elements that need to be designed. So I'm hoping to work on a couple of them and understanding more about how it works and what we can do. We've got 3D printers that we can use, and resources that we've gained from the last car that we can kind of implement here. Within engineering, I knew I would be a minority being a woman, but it's something, because I knew I wanted to do it and I didn't mind having to push through some barriers, I kind of just went straight for it anyway. There's plenty of opportunities to come and look at certain areas. I mean, we've had people come and see us at track, and I've spoken to women and taught girls around the car and shown them sort of what I do, and I think it's really helped inspire them.
So the reason we have a new car is we want to modernise what we had. We won the championship in Formula 3. We felt we've done everything we can with that package. We needed to replace it in a like-for-like situation with modern technology, and the Praga Cup just allowed us to do that. It's important that what they achieve is seen. We open it up to all engineering, so we have some aerospace students in, some mechanical engineering students, and predominantly motorsport students as well. So we gauge that on their experience. We're training them from day one and how they move through the team. So it's how we divide the car up. Having a university team fighting against professional teams is the key for us. That's what we need, and it's exposure for how young engineers, and really a shop window for them, for F1 teams or any other motorsport team looking in and saying, "Oh, we take University of Wolverhampton students."